We started doing Toddlers Can Read about 4 months ago, and we have loved it. It's effective, it's simple, and I know exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing. We knew we wanted to teach our kids to read really young. We had no idea where to start. I tried to do it on my own, and it was such a joke. And we randomly came across this page called Toddlers Can Read, and it has been such a game changer. We are so grateful because it is actually working. What do you think, Cal?
It's the best.
It's the best. Cheese.
Cheese.